Okay, it's October 14th, 2022. This is a few months delayed, and I'm hoping that it's because they put in the work to make sure this is a really good quality product. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here since everybody's been anticipating the Reolink PoE doorbell camera for months. So let's just do a quick unboxing here. So once you download the app, if you don't already have the app, see how many people start their Reolink experience with the doorbell, because doorbell cameras seem to be what popped this off for home security cameras. So we have the doorbell camera here, which, let me hurry up and get. So you got the doorbell camera here. It looks like, I mean, you can get the measurements online, but we'll just quickly throw a tape measure across it here. It's like 5x2. 5x2. And then this is the door chime. So this plugs into like a wall wart. Got some pairing and probably audio change buttons on here. I don't really play with it. You know, the lights, you can plug this anywhere in the house and not have to rely on having a pre-existing doorbell chime. This is the PoE version. So let's get this out and see what this looks like. I'm just doing this on my phone. I just checked the mail and I was like, oh, surprise. So let's get it on my phone. So we have the PoE port, the SD card port, and I'm assuming these are for low voltage. I know that the Wi-Fi one will be run on low voltage, like a old doorbell transformer. I'm not sure if this one does it. And right here would be the little release mechanism that you have to push with a small little screwdriver, so I won't worry about theft too much. This is your only camera, yeah, but I don't recommend people just having one doorbell camera. So this is the little release to get it off the back bracket. All right, let's see what comes else in the box here. So you just got this one little piece of plastic. The rest is all cardboard if you're worried about throwing stuff away. This, people don't understand why they do this, and they hate the short cables. They're like, why do you give me a short cable? I don't need a short cable. What's the point? Always plug in your cameras to your router and bench test it. Do all your presets so you don't have to be messing to see if your cable is faulty or your plug or something when you're up on a ladder. I'm assuming that these wires right here mean that this will run low voltage. That, or they just give the same, it's the same connections for the PoE or the Wi-Fi version, which is possible. They could just send the same stuff with each one. And then we have the steel. So this would be the actual wall bracket. Is there a simple arrow that tells you? No. That's surprising. You'd think that they would stamp a arrow on this, you know, this way up or not. So let's see. So yeah, the part that pops out away from the wall would be up, and then it clips onto the hooks on the bottom. I'm trying to get this in focus and in lighting, which is interesting. So it clips down onto there, and then the hooks on the back of the camera lock onto that. And then we also have the, I don't know, 5-10 degree adapter, which this also does not have an up or down on it. It does have a 1 and 2. Not sure what 1 and 2 means. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what comes in the paperwork. Should be like a security sticker and probably a mounting template. Quick start guide, mounting tablet. What? They didn't send the usual security by Reolink sticker? I didn't get one. They'll probably get one. This is a single unit that they shipped across the ocean for reviewers. It's not an actual retail one. Oh, you can see the manual. This is from July of 2022, so they've been hard at work at this for a while. So yeah, I might be right about the things they put in the box, because this says this applies to both the Wi-Fi and the PoE. And this is I know this is a PoE model. That's what I signed up to review, hoping that I can test to see its compatibility with recording to Synology. They usually, oh, here we go. We got numbers here. So let's see what these things. Oh, this actually has wedge wall. Okay, that's why there's a 1 and 2. So you have to separately attach the wedge. Yeah, this wouldn't have an up or down because you can transfer it left, right, depending which way you need to angle the camera, obviously. So I guess you have to screw the wedge down with one set of screws, and then the mounting bracket uses a second set of screws to mount onto the adjustment. But this is a quick unboxing. I'm going to end it here. I'm almost at 7 minutes. So this has been the Reolink Video Doorbell unboxing here real quick. We'll have to check this out in the next week or two, get some initial thoughts and ideas on how this thing actually works. People are always posting and hyped about it.